Tech Active 2022, question 14. An object is moving in a straight line with acceleration represented by the differential equation, dv dt equals negative 4 plus v squared, where v is the object's velocity over time, t is bigger than 0, until it comes to rest. Determine the general solution of the differential equation. So we've got dv dt equals negative 4 plus v squared. Let's rearrange it and say that's going to be dv over 4 plus v squared equals negative dt. We integrate both sides. Now over here this will be nice, just negative t plus c. That's an easy side to solve. Looking at this side, over 4 plus v squared, if you look at your trig integrations, we want this as 2 over 4 plus v squared dv, because then I can use my inverse tan rule. Now because I want a 2 on the top, and that's because 2 squared is 4, so I'm using my inverse tan. I balance out that 2 by putting a half there. So then that's going to be a half tan to the negative 1 v on 2 equals negative t plus c. I was only after a general solution. That is fine. Excuse me, that's sufficient. Now it says, part B, it says the initial velocity of the object is 1.5 meters per second. So determine when the particle comes to rest. So when t equals 0, v equals 1.5. So essentially we want to find c. So I'm going to substitute that in. It's going to be a half tan to the negative 1, 1.5 over 2 equals negative 0 plus c. So that c value is this over here. Now I'm going to go on my calculator. I'll go back to my just regular run mat. I am in radians because I need to be for this, and I'm going to put in a half times shift tan in brackets 1.5 over 2, oops, just bring it out there to close my bracket, execute, and I get 0.32. So from that, I'm going to get C is approximately 0.32. So I use my graphic calculator. So I've got now that a half tan to the negative 1 v on 2 equals negative t plus 0.32. So there's my particular solution. We want to determine the time when the particle comes to rest. So we went when v equals 0, what will time be? That's what we're trying to work. When v is 0, what's time? Because that's when it's rest. So that's tan to the negative 1, 0 equals negative t plus 0.32. What are we going to do to solve this? I reckon most of you are reaching for, let's go to my calculator and let's go to options, calc, solving. So I'm going to have a half, 0.5, shift, tan, close bracket 0, close brackets, shift equals negative x plus 0.32, close brackets, execute, exit, 8 over 25. So hang on, I'm just going to, 4.32. So I use solve n, and I get time equals 0.32 seconds for particle to come to rest. For particle to come to rest. So we had to find the particular solution first, so we had C, and then we just subbed in for when it became to rest, and we got our answer of 0.32 seconds.